Good afternoon, my name is Mark Gruen with Renze Seeds. This afternoon we are in a corn plot in northeast Nebraska. We're in 36-inch rows here and the planting population is 28,650, which at 36-inch rows it crowds these boys in here pretty well. So as you can see the fifth ear in, if it's still nice and large like this, that's really good ear size retention as you get into the field. This particular hybrid is 3332 Smart Stack. You can see how well it's filled out to the tip. This one and the 2322 I just talked about, pretty heat and drought tough. Very seldom do you see zippering with this hybrid, and zippering is when you have stress that wipes out a couple rows the length of the ear and as well as tip back. It's very rare to see that in either one of these hybrids. And the ear size is very good, and like we said, very uniform from plant to plant. Way back in here, there's two plants here I'm not going to bend out. Here's another one. Let me move that ear. Just nice ear after nice ear, very consistent. Fairly girthy out to the end, not quite as girthy as the 2322 was, but fairly much so. Nice length, very consistent. East to west adaptation within the Renze territory. Starting at Callaway, the Callaway Broken Bow area, this hybrid will do very well in irrigated. I believe it'll do very well in partial irrigated. I'm not sure that I would put it on really tough dryland acres in that area. Take it south in south central Nebraska, this thing will do very well again in irrigated acres. I think it will handle 34,000 final pop. I don't know why you would put that pressure, that unnecessary pressure on the crop. I think you can maximize the yieldability of this thing at 32,000. I think at 28,500 you'll be nearly able to maximize its yield potential. On east then in Renze territory, excuse me, through eastern Nebraska, dry land, absolutely in eastern Nebraska, western Iowa, and irrigated in eastern Nebraska, very good candidate at 111 day. This is 111 day corn, I forgot to mention that. On through Iowa into eastern Iowa and southeast Iowa. This has been a stud over there for 2 years running. Actually, it's been a stud everywhere. Northern movement, it has decent northern movement for 111 day corn. It will move up into the 107, 108 day range fairly effectively. And southern movement, it will move down into Missouri and eastern Kansas effectively as well. I think that covers it for 3332.